Hey, I want to welcome you back to the farm. We're down here doing our chores. Give you a little update on our little babies. Of course, over here's Phoebe. I think they're about, what, 2 weeks old now?
Mm-hmm.
Is that right?
I think.
That's Phoebe. She's a little doll.
She is cute. She's all black except for the couple little white spots.
And over here is Boots. That's Boots right there, I think. And the two boys are over here. I can't remember what you called them.
Pip and Dash.
Pip and Dash. Yeah.
I can't see. One's right there. They're over there on the other side of it.
So they're 2 weeks old. They're getting pretty big. And we're real happy with them. They've turned out really nice. There's some really nice goats, so little nice babies. Like I said before, we'll probably sell the boys. And we'll keep the two girls, and then we'll go one more round with Phil, and then we'll get some new breeders. So let's go ahead and see the pigs. They're getting kind of big too. So I don't know if you remember when we first got them, it was probably this big. They fit in that little cage over there, and I look at them. Starting to get some size on them. Look at her pig pen.
I know. Been watering anything.
Yeah, they love to sleep inside. You'll come out here. When I first come down to feed, they'll be in there huddled up together. So it's kind of funny. All right, let's. I got to do a little watering in here, and we'll get on down there and check some other stuff out. Just give you a little something to look forward to. I kind of started cleaning this up back here, and then we're going to put the fencing on back here. We'll have the boy goats isolated on this part back here. But this building that you see used to be my kids' playhouse, and a sandbox and a swing and all that stuff. It was up at the house, and I brought it down here and repurposed it as a chicken coop. I had a run come all the way out to here, and they'd go up in there and roost. But so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna finish clearing this out. I got posts over here for my shed that I'm gonna build right over here next to the fruit patch, or the berry patch. But what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get my tractor and kind of raise it up. We're gonna cut those legs off, take that up here, and that's gonna be the boys' new home. So we're gonna put a fence up here, and actually the fence will probably come right through here where I'm standing all the way to the property line. And we're talking about putting a wood fence from here over to that fence, so they won't be able to see the girls, because part of this is gonna be girls too. Either that or we could leave a space, I guess, but that'd be hard to mow. We have to keep it mowed. So we're either gonna put we'll check on pricing, we'll do whichever one's cheapest. And we'll get some more cheap fence boards and build us a nice little thing there if we wanted to. That's probably what we're gonna do. So just give you a little update. It's been so wet and cold, we ain't been hard to do anything. So, all right, let's go on. We've got other things to do. So we got 5 inches of rain yesterday, and this is what that happens. It's kind of a little low spot here, and it kind of floods. Don't do it. This is the first time I've seen it in a long time. So we got a little pond going on. You wanna go swimming?
No.
Fishing?
It's too cold.
Let's drive the side by side through there and see if we make it. Film it.
No.
Yeah, let's do it.
No. You was the smartest girl there was. You just rode, didn't you? You didn't go through the water. Yeah, I'm like you. You're smart. That white one there, she rode the whole way.
I tell you, it's a little more flooded down here than I thought. I probably should have moved them yesterday. I moved the other ones because this kind of flooded out yesterday, but they survived. All right, let's go move the other ones. I almost forgot to check for eggs, so let's see what we got here. Oh, yay!
Yay!
That's a new egg. That's the olive legger, one of our new chicks.
Huh.
What about that? Well,
Like
that's
a golden egg right now.
Yeah, that's exciting. Oh, but maybe the other ones. Let's go check them. Hopefully we'll have about 2 dozen we can take tomorrow off.
That'd be nice.
All right. So the other day I came down here to feed, and that red one running around there crazy. Now that's not big red or little red. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. It's crazy red, I think. But I opened that door and that thing flew right out in the open. And I fed and ended up having to chase her down. It's like a combination of Rocky and Frankenstein. With my bad back, my bad knees, I was trying to catch that thing. I finally got her hand up against the building here with my leg, and I reached in there and got her and put her back in there. But I was aggravated. I about killed it and put it in stew. But she's a feisty one.
Mm-hmm. She's ready to run.
Right there, right there. Call it crazy red. So now I got big red, little red, and they're in the other pen. You got crazy red over here. All right, let's go move them sheep, and because they're looking at me, they're staring me down. Let's go get them.
That sound is his tire, I think. That weird sound. I think your tire's about messed up.
It is, and I caught that other one over there on the hay wagon or on something over there and tore that arm off.
Well, it's making
That's why it's doing that.
Yeah, it's making a sound.
Yeah, I gotta do some work on that.
I'll let everybody know that was the, it was that making that sound.
Yeah, I gotta fix this. But it's been like that for a year. I gotta fix that back on there. I gotta get some new bolts. I broke one of the bolts off. And I'm gonna get a bigger tarp too, and probably come all the way up to here.
Yeah.
So maybe we can do that this weekend. We'll add that to our list.
Yeah, our list keeps growing.
All right, one more stop.
Yeah, his hair's finally about to come off, ain't it?
Yeah, it won't come off. That's the way it stays.
Really?
Yeah.
It was on the top, now it's hanging on the side, so maybe
Yeah.
it'll eventually pull on off.
What if I get in here and pull it off?
I don't know.
All right, let's go. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that big one.
Wow.
It's 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it.
That on this side?
So we got,
7 total, right?
let's see, 7 eggs today.
Yay! Woo!
All right, that's
He didn't
cool.
bring his basket because we hadn't been getting any.
Yeah, I know.
There wasn't none on this side?
Okay.
Okay.
No. So we're pretty happy now. I got 6 the other day. So we might have got a dozen this week. That's $20.
Mm-hmm.
All right, appreciate you going along with us on a ride, doing our chores, checking on the little babies, gathering some eggs. Got a few little funny stories. See our pond back there. I still want to go through it. She won't let me. Anyway, could get my new truck and go through it. That wouldn't be as fun. All right, appreciate everybody watching. Hey, hit that like button, then hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.